How to create a dot plot for overrepresentation analysis in Google Sheets. Introduction to dot plot. Search for dot plot. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension column. Click on the Create Chart button. Dot plot is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Dot plot data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a dot plot. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 3 columns of numerical data to create a dot plot. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will create a dot plot with 4 data columns as follows. 1 column containing categorical data. 3 columns containing numerical data. Important: dot plot will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for dot plot. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select X-axis column X-axis. Select dot size column bubble size. Select dot color column bubble color. Select Y-axis column label. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Dot plot is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. You can add chart footer. Click on the Legend Properties pen to change the color of the box. Change the color of all boxes. Click on the Axis Left Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Grid Lines section. You can hide or show grid lines. Click on the Axis Bottom Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Grid Lines section. You can hide or show grid lines. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.